This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the Cooper & Hunter 9000 BTU Hyperheat Mini Split Air Conditioner and Heat Pump. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this mini split in the description below for latest price. The Cooper & Hunter Hyperheat series is designed to offer both reliable cooling and powerful heating, even in the coldest climates, with the ability to heat down to -22 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 26-SEER-2 inverter system ensures ultra-efficient energy performance, helping you save on electricity bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment all year round. The system's sleek midnight black indoor unit stands out from typical white mini splits, giving your space a modern, premium look that enhances your home's aesthetic. Beyond aesthetics, the unit is packed with practical features, including Wi-Fi connectivity and remote control functionality, making it simple to adjust settings from anywhere in your home. The included 16-foot installation kit contains copper lines, communication cables, and a drain hose, streamlining the setup process for your HVAC professional. One of the standout aspects of this mini split is its hyperheat technology, which delivers dependable heating even in extreme winter conditions. While it excels in efficiency, it's important to note that professional installation is required, as this is not DIY equipment. The system uses our 454B refrigerant, which is eco-friendly and future-ready, reducing environmental impact compared to older refrigerants. Additionally, its corded electric power source and compact ductless form factor make it an ideal solution for both new construction and retrofit applications. The Cooper & Hunter Mini Split operates quietly, thanks to its advanced inverter compressor, which maintains consistent temperature control without the intrusive noise of traditional HVAC systems. Its design prioritizes energy savings, reliability, and modern styling, but potential buyers should consider that installation costs and freight delivery logistics may add to the upfront investment. Overall, it balances aesthetics, functionality, and extreme climate performance, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home's heating and cooling capabilities.